A lot of my career it's been service related, whether serving my country or whether, teaching children to eighth graders. But my view of the law is that I'm just trying to help you get through whatever rough patch you're going through. Why I practice bankruptcy law is when I got out of law school, I do several things, but when I started researching about bankruptcy, there are lots of people that need that help and they need a fresh start in their life. Whether it's like medical bills unexpected medical procedures that came out for themselves or their spouse or their children. They lost their job, they're unemployed, they got hurt, they're disabled, and they just can't pay their bills anymore. And sometimes people just go through a rough patch in their life where they just make poor decisions. And all these things, maybe one of them doesn't set them down towards the path of bankruptcy, but altogether they just can't pay their bills anymore and support themselves and their family. And that's what the bankruptcy laws are for, is to give people that fresh start. And that's one of the reasons I've chose that field to sort of specialize in. Prior to law school, I was a teacher. I taught school for 6 years in a middle school, and prior to that I was in the United States Air Force for 4 years. My take on the law, being a good attorney, good advocate for my clients, is that it's one of service. I want to help you through whatever rough patch you might be going through, whether it's a bankruptcy issue, whether it's a divorce issue or some sort of civil litigation issue. I know it can be one of the hardest things that people go through when they find themselves in court. Divorces are like deaths in the family. The bankruptcy, it's a lot of personal beliefs that are questioned when you have to, tell yourself, I just can't pay you back. And I can help you, often keep your home, keep your automobile. You don't always have to lose everything, and a lot of times you can pay back a lot of the debts you owe through a plan through the bankruptcy court, so that you end up paying creditors back something you might owe them, but you still come out on the other end at the end of your time in the bankruptcy court with a fresh start, able to move forward in your life instead of just going through the next 10 years paying interest back. Lawyers, we do this stuff every day, but I know for you, it's one of the biggest things that's ever happened to you in your life, and I want to help you through that.